I'll show you how to change the air filter on a 2.0T Audi engine. It's going to be similar for a lot of Audi A4s and Volkswagen Passats. Remove the air ducting, which goes into the air box here, and all you'll need is a Phillips head screwdriver. And then remove it. We're down to the air box, so just take off the two top screws. Also remove this little pre-filter. We can open this up now, and right there is the air filter. You can just bend this up out of the way and take out the old one. Here's the difference between the old one and the new one. This one has a lot of particulate in the filter, so it's a lot darker, and this one is a whole lot cleaner. We can put the new one in, and if in your air box there's any stuff down in there, like maybe some leaves, sticks, this would be a good time to vacuuming it out. I did that, so we can go ahead and put this new one in. If you pop it off the turbo, it's also going to make it a lot easier to move this around. And tighten everything up. While everything's opened up, it's the easiest right now to clean the dirt and dust out of all the pipes and stuff. Clip all the ducting pieces back in. Put in the last screws. In probably a little bit more than 10 minutes, we've gotten a new air filter, and I'm glad to have this old one out.